Goch. Isa na yung nyotter. Gusto ko na po umuwi. Gusto na po namin umuwi ng flight. No homesick na. Good morning. I'm having my breakfast once again. And here is my breakfast. And Isa SIM cards over there. You've got the Cedric Grulet croissant, which Limaris is known for. I'm having scrambled eggs. I have the last few days of Fashion Week. Actually, uwing-uwi na po ako. Because this is really like the hardest one because there's Milan to Paris. So you're really gone for like a good 3 weeks. And then this time also, since there's so many brands, you sometimes have a lot of like work, like requirements and stuff like that. So you have to make sure that, you know, maganda yung concepts mo and your reels are good. Not complaining. I used to do a lot of telenovelas. I grew up doing telenovelas ever since I was, 15, 14? No. 15, ganyan. And that was a lot. This compared to Harness and mga, green screen chroma, na na-chromatize ako for Dwarfina. But I love that. My imagination really worked. Parang na-enjoy ko naman to. But I do miss home. I miss home so much. And my husband, I miss Panda, and everyone. How many children ba? I'm gonna put all my efforts into Louis Vuitton this season. So, usually, meron pa ako madami nito eh. Pero, mag-e-effort ako, mag-pre-shoot ako because Louis Vuitton is such a special brand to me. And, sila ng Dior actually yung mga nag-umpisa. Alisa, ganyan. Pero Dior kasi, what do you call this? Louis Vuitton. Madaming shows actually nag-downsize ng invites this year. So, I think alam ko parang from napakalaking number ng 700 at naging 17. Parang gano'n ka-exag yung... And then it's exciting because it's gonna be like... It's a super secret place, the show. Even I don't know. And I'm gonna have to leave my team when I go to the show. Because we have a separate car for each one that will take us to the show. So... I think I'm gonna skip a few shows so I can do what I need to do for Louis Vuitton because usually when you create the content, when you get there, dun pa lang or something like that. So, parang haggard ako. So, yun. And then, I think I'm gonna slash my last day of Fashion Week. So we can relax. Tama ba, Isa? Joke lang, may shoot pala ako. Pero magbawas na tayo ng show. Kasi, hindi na nang kaya. Parang okay na. Next season na lang. But I have 2 today. And then the next day, joke lang. 2 today. Tomorrow is 3. Tapos LV. Tapos, siguro yun na yun. Cut na natin. Because I have just a few more work and I have an important dinner and may interview pa ako. Something like that. Parang may something ganyan. So,
coffee with...
Yes. Actually, parang pa-dinner na yun.
Pa-dinner na?
Today, what do I have today? No, I won't do Coperni. Ang Coperni, mamayang gabi pa yun. Parang mga 9. Halos 9, 8, 8:39. I have Acris. And I have Ottolinger. But that's it. But I have to do pre-shoots for some stuff that I need to do, like work stuff. So, yun na muna tayo. No. Yeah.
Okay na to?
Oh. Okay na to. How's everybody over there? Siyempre, masipag tayo. I love what I do. And everybody loves what they do. Kaya, kahit pagod kami, happy naman kami.
Laban lang.
Laban lang. Pero nakaka-overwhelm din this season, actually. Nakakataba ng puso. Tsaka nakaka-overwhelm kasi ang dami since 15, 16 just to keep doing what I do. I'm very thankful. Some shows, may dumating some shows na mawak. Nagda-downsize sila. So, parang just to have a lot is like so grateful. I mean, a comment ng YSL. I don't think I'll be attending YSL this season. I think chillax muna tayo sa YSL. Sa next season na lang tayo. Anyway, lagi naman tayo pumupunta dyan sa YSL. Pero siguro relax muna ako on the last day. Kasi, yung utak ko, parang hindi na kaya. Actually, kabe, I still have a few deadlines that I have to choose for some reels and some requirements that I have to do. Requirements means it's like I have a job for doing, like, if you attend the show, ganyan. Because some people don't know that when you attend the show, hindi lang siya sa EMV value, which is not technically real value. Because, like, some corporations, they have a different way of finding out yung pinaka-value ng pagpunta mo. EMV would be media impact value still, pero hindi yun yung basihan. Although, thank you so much for making me top last season. I'm so thankful. It's still good, but I know that, like, for certain companies, hindi yun yung they have meron ibang media impact value, like we need to say internal way of reading and seeing how, like, translation in terms of sales, may mga ganyan. Kung ilang websites ang nag-feature sa'yo, parang ganun. So, iba-iba din sila. And so, but thank you so much for magandang ratings natin. I'm really, really thankful. This season, medyo, di ko alam kung pagod lang talaga ako. Madami lang talaga kaming ginawa, pero parang pagod na po ako. So, I have to really think, because I have, I think, 3 things. 3 major things that I have to think about. So I have to kind of concentrate, and I can't do that if I'm almost on the last day. I have so much, so I have to not probably attend some shows that I will attend next season na lang. Ano ba? Ayun lang naman. Pero ang saya, nakakamiss lang yung home. I'm happy my husband is busy though. He has a official trip. He's in LA, so sige, doon na muna siya para hindi ako napapressure. Pero hindi naman siya nagpapressure sa akin. Oh yes, thank you so much to everybody who watched the Dior documentary. It was also a surprise that I had a moment there. I really love Dior, so thank you for featuring me. And also, I just want to say thank you to everybody who went to Mugler and bought a bottle of Angel Nova. Both the green and the red star, the Supernova. I'm so happy. The story of Mugler is just really insane. How I started to really love it ever since my very first acting workshop. I was sharing this class with this girl. She was a little older than me. Her name was Monique. Beautiful woman. She had this distinct smell, and I couldn't get rid of it. And I remember asking her one time. I was 14 when I had this workshop with her, and she said it's called Angel. And I was like, Angel. So So I didn't know what it was, whatever. But it was super distinct. And I remember, then I was like, in my 18 years old, 19 ganyan, I was at the airport and I was looking at bottles. And I ran across this elongated, like, star. But it wasn't like a star like what it is now. It was elongated. It was a different bottle. Pag amoy ko, it was the blue Angel Mugler. And I used it for the longest time. And yun, so that's my story with them. And then, so I use this, the blue, and then also the Supernova I use every day. So, yun yung mga signature scents ko. So, nakakatawa kasi now it's in SM Mall. So, and in Southeast Asia. So, thank you so much. Hello, Francine. Kamusta naman ang pa-Hong Kong mo dyan, sis? I will be attending Chanel and YSL this season. Sa susunod na lang siguro, tingnan natin. Chanel kasi mahirap eh. For me. Personally, mahirap siya. Eh, wala din tayong Chanel sa Philippines. Although usually Southeast Asia yung tingin nila sa akin as a whole. Mahirap rin talaga kasi they're very specific. Mahilig sila sa, sila, kailangan may specific. Yung, anong tawag nito, yung, they're very, with your feed, ganyan. Eh, ako kasi ang active kong tao. So, very specific sila sa kanilang requirements. Tsaka kasi, minsan pag pupunta ka din sa ibang, ka-constituent nila. Hindi ka, Pero, okay lang ako kasi, mahal ko pa rin siya. So, hindi naman ako attend para kumuha ng free na keme. Bibili pa rin ako. So, love ko pa rin sila. Para lang yan sa YSL. There are specific brands that I go to. Not a lot. Like, I just have one. And, like, if I go, or if I don't go to the show, it's fine because I love the brand organically anyway. I guess with everything naman, organically, that's how I started. I love it. But I wouldn't go because I'm trying to, So, Chanel's very generous, but Dior is super generous. But I still buy Dior even if they give me my stuff. Like, almost all my bags are from Dior. They're all given by the house. They're so generous to the ones that they invite for a long time. So, but I still buy Dior. I love it. Really? Nako, SM Beauty, time to replenish. Sold out na daw yung Angel.
Wow.
It's time to replenish. Guys, it's so good. Either that's the pink or the blue. That's how my story with them started. I am actually meeting them this trip because sobrang tuwang-tawa sila how nangyari and it was so real and it was like a magic story for them and it's the same for me. Sobrang magical ng story ng Mugler because it happened organically and this #heart made me do it. Insane. Grabe. Tsaka grabe yung power ng Pilipino. Kahit hindi sa Pilipinas, sa iba't ibang bansa. Ibang klase. So, super thank you. Nakakatawa. Ayoko kasing, chumika-chipi. Mga ibang Basta, masaya. Wala na akong Himalayan salt. Masyado na matagal tayong nasa road. Which type of events do you wear blue? I like to wear the blue at night because it has like a stronger, more sophisticated, sexy vibe. And then pink I use for daily. Pero mabilis siya maubos, syempre, kasi splash. Yung blue kasi, hi! Yung blue kasi, it lingers for a long time. Pareho naman sa lingers for a long time. Thank you so much, sir.
You have a good night?
Yes, super tired, but good. Thank you.
Okay,
I'm spoiled.
I wish you a good day.
Thank you.
And a pleasure to see
Merci.
you. At your
Yes. À tout à l'heure,
Okay,
monsieur.
thank you.
So, yun. Pareho silang, actually, gulong-gulo din ako. Pero I have all the time, both of them with me. Kasi depende din sa vibe mo. So, yung isa sweet ka, yung isa very, parang napaka-powerful mong ganyan. It's so good. And both of them stays on, like, it's so sulit. It stays on the whole day. So, yun. I think I have like 5-6 more shows. Pero depende pa yun. Pero 5-6 shows pa ako. Pero sa pinakahuling araw, mag-aano muna ako. Hibernate na. Wala na akong ideas. Ubus na siya. Kailangan ko nang umuwi. Anything else? Yes. The Dior documentary, Her, you can watch it on YouTube. So, again, thank you so much to Dior, to all of our friends from Dior, Bianca, everybody. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much. Ano pa? That's it, guys. So I'm gonna have a quiet moment, enjoy my breakfast. I might go back to sleep because ano na talaga. Kailangan ko pa mag-isip mamaya. So thank you so much for joining my live. And I will see you again. Bye.